I've always said to the House that any curbs on our freedoms must be an absolute last resort, and that we shouldn't keep them in place for a day longer than absolutely necessary. With this in mind, we've been reviewing the isolation period for positive cases to make sure the measures we have in place maximise activity in the economy and education, for example, but also minimise the risk of infectious people leaving isolation. UK HSA data shows that around 2/3 of positive cases are no longer infectious by the end of day 5. And we want to use the testing capacity that we've built up to help these people leave isolation safely. After reviewing all of the evidence, we've made the decision to reduce the minimum self-isolation period to 5 full days in England. From Monday, people can test twice before they go, leaving isolation at the start of day 6. Notice that the Right Honourable Gentleman didn't mention the huge increase since he last stood at that dispatch box facing me that we have seen in booster vaccinations in this country. He just heard me say he knows that we are the most boosted country in Europe, the most boosters of any large country. He knows how much that has helped, and not one word of thanks from the Right Honourable Gentleman to the NHS, all the volunteers, the military and everyone that helped do that. Not one word of thanks from the Right Honourable Gentleman. Not one word of thanks. It will be noted by the British public. And then I did notice, Mr. Deputy Speaker, I think you've had your, if you want to return to the dispatch box, would you like to, I'll sit down. Do you want to return to this?
I'm not sure that's in order, Mr. Deputy Speaker, but what I did say from a sedentary position is the Prime Minister is not fit to lick the boots of NHS staff in this country. Yeah.